Welcome to the video lecture on financial management. In this video, we are going to see about cost management. The topics which will be covered in this video are cost management, objectives of cost management system, issues in strategic cost management, designing cost systems, developing ABC model, causes, symptoms and remedies of broken cost systems. Cost management. Cost management is the process of planning and controlling the budget of a business. It allows a business to predict impending expenditures to help reduce the chance of going over budget. For example, consider a project in a company. So a cost management helps to set a baseline for what this particular project is expected to cost, and also to ensure that the project is on budget. Without this proper cost management, a company may lose money. Objectives of a cost management system. The first objective is to institute a process management that integrates cost monitoring system. Carefully evaluating the processes and accompanying the cost that add value to the products or service of the organization. By value maximization, which comes under cost reduction management, this helps in deriving the best price offered by the consumers or market so that best profit could be afforded to the investor. By continuance of cost management as ongoing process or system in the organization, this brings about the best use of resources perpetually and thus contribute to long-term profitability of the company. Issues in strategic cost management. The issues mentioned here is the cost variance that occurs in materials, labor and overhead. First we'll see about cost variances that occurs in materials. Price variance. Actual rate minus standard rate. It is the difference between standard price specified and actual price paid. Then usage variance. It is the difference between standard quantity specified and actual quantity used. That is, actual quantity consumed in production minus standard quantity prescribed for production. This usage variance is further divided into mix variance, which is the difference between standard and actual composition of the mixture. This is relevant only when materials are physically mixed. And then actual quantity, which is standard cost of actual mix minus standard cost of standard mix. And then yield variance. It's the difference between standard yield specified and actual yield obtained. And then standard cost per output, which is standard output minus actual output. Cost variance, labor. Rate variance. It is the difference between the standard rate of pay specified and the actual rate paid. Actual hours worked, that is actual rate per hour minus standard rate per hour. Efficiency variance is the difference between the standard labor hours specified for the activity achieved and the actual labor hours expended. Also, it could be actual hours at standard rate minus standard hours at standard rate. Cost variances in overheads. Variable overhead is the difference between actual variable overhead and standard variable overhead. Fixed overhead variance is the difference between actual overhead and the standard overhead absorbed in the production. Overhead expenses variance. It is the difference between actual expenses incurred and standard allowance for the output. Similarly, this overhead expenses variance consists of capacity variance, that is the variance due to actual capacity differing from planned capacity, and then volume efficiency variance, that is the portion of volume variance reflecting increased or decreased output from the expected standard. Designing cost systems. In order to design an effective cost management system, there are three important basic issues that needed fulfilled. That is valuation of inventory and measurement of the cost of goods sold for financial reporting. The second one is estimation of the cost of activities, products, services and customers. The third one is providing economic feedback to the managers and operators about process efficiency. Developing ABC model, that is activity based costing model. Activity based costing is a method that measures cost of a product or service based on the activities performed to produce that product or service. The underlying assumption is that activities drive the cost, which is driven by the product or customers. The following are the steps to be followed to develop ABC model. That is, identify resources, identify activities, to identify cost objectives, then define resource drivers, define activity drivers, enter resource cost, then enter resource driver quantity, enter activity driver quantity, and calculate cost. Causes, symptoms and remedies of broken cost systems. Cost management systems might get broken due to internal and external reasons as under. First, we will see about internal causes. Lack of commitment on the part of the management. The symptom is the system is spoken of lightly in the review meetings. The remedy for this is management must commit themselves to the system rather than expecting staff to simply follow when top is not willing to adhere to the same. Lack of standard norms and transparency leading to ad hoc cost systems, necessitating the violations that set themselves as precedents. The symptom is the system is having many discretionary powers and sanctions which are difficult to follow, and the remedy for this is standard norms need to be followed. The system should be transparent and cannot be partial. Any violation to the system must be an exception to the rule rather than as a matter of privilege. Lack of practical approach in designing the system leading to its ineptness. The symptom is the system is difficult to comply with and auditors are required to short trivial issues. Remedy is the cost system must have a long-term vision which practically utility. If the system design is idealistic, not looking to practical issues, then cost system deserves to be broken. The other internal causes are lack of periodic revisions in the standards in accordance with current market realities. The symptom is the system has outdated rates and quotes and they are difficult to stick to as standards, needing or necessitating approvals and sanctions, many often. The remedy is market rates and trends keep varying and to be in pace with such changing realities. The system should capture latest market realities and must accommodate the variations. Otherwise, over a period of time, the utility of the system is relegated to background, leading to slow breakdown of the system. Lack of integration with the mainstream, leading to alienation from the core line of the activity. The symptom is the system needs separate inputs and working rather than extracting data from the main line. The remedy is, while the cost system should be tamper-proof, it should also have the compatibility and integration with the main activity of production of products and services. On the contrary, if the system function from an ivory tower, it gets alienated due to lack of attention, that is, not being able to blend. Therefore, cost system at the design stage itself must get integrated with the core line of activity, that is, production of product and services. The other internal causes are ritualistic approach, making the cost system impracticable, limiting its applicability and hence usage in the organization. The symptom is the system has repetitive and unproductive issues and inputs with no logical surmise. The remedy for this is ritual means yet another routine with no rhyme or reason. If the system needs to be followed, its effect and consequences must be visible and appreciable. A system for the sake of system without sustaining logic and accruing benefit does not interest any followers of a system. Therefore, system should have provisions for appreciating and rewarding notable contributions rather than advocating penalties and admonitions when violated. Overzealous cost system. Cost systems are measures to control cost and improve product efficiency. However, they are human system and therefore should be understood that there will be human errors. To assume that they would be perfect like God is something of a system which exhibits the symptom of overzealous system. The symptom is the system has self-aggrandizing results always. The remedy is over-provisioning and claiming that the cost systems has saved so much percentage etc. need to be understood as the symptoms of overzealous system, and the system need be revised to practical terms by revision to benchmarked industrial standards instead of ad hoc limits. The external causes are customers finding this system as an obstacle rather than an aid. The symptom is customer complaints, and the remedy for this is designing the system should be customer friendly rather than treating customer as a cost consumer. Updating failures, and the symptom is old data and benchmark. The remedy for this is system updating is very important. Lack of updating is the major external reason for a company's cost system breaking down. That's it for this video. Thank you.